City is the concentration of human civilization. We came together in the city to draw a common dream, create beauty with wisdom, and compose happiness and harmony. China is actively and steadily boosting the new urbanization drive to achieve the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation, which becomes the country's greatest dream. Approved by the State Commissioner for Economic Restructuring of People's Republic of China in 1992, Pan-China Group is a modernized enterprise founded by the former Ministry of Construction under the goal of exploring a reform of China's construction industry and urban construction. Pan-China, an enterprise, shares the same name with this country. It has become a system solution operator and developer dedicated for urban development. A creative frontrunner in China's new urbanization development. Pan-China has experienced the monumental progress of China's new urbanization development. During the 20 years of accelerated China's urbanization, Pan-China takes creative value for the cities as its mission, dedicates itself to the entire industrial chain of urban investment, development, and operation. The abundance of successful cases and urban theories it boasts will be an authoritative guidance to the development of new urbanization, forming a new picture of created by Pan-China. Urban Development Division, a division under the guidance of scientific urbanization theory, providing sustainable, systematic solution plan for cities. Urban Development Division stands at the height of regional and urban development, dedicates itself to the establishment of urban development think tank. It contributes to realize sustainable leap-forward development of cities by exploring urban specialties and finding the best ways of development and the industrial systems that fit in local characteristics. It proposed innovative model of China's new urbanization development creatively. The aforesaid theory has been extensively applied in the cities of Wuhan, Machong, Yinchuan, Hailing, Zhurong Shenwei, Liaoyuan, and Anqun, among others, and gained remarkable demonstration effect and economic benefit division. Urban Management and Operation Division, under the guidance of constructing new urbanization and urban-rural demonstration zone, as one of the pilot enterprises for national intelligent city development, listed by the Ministry of Housing and Urban-Rural Development. It has invested in and has been operating the Smart Industrial New City, the Smart Industrial Park, the Smart Agricultural Valley, and the Demonstration Zone for Modernization of Construction Industry with local governments. At the same time, the division focuses on beauty and health, cultural expo creative industry, and the implementation of Beautiful Economy Development Plan. Urban Construction Division. A division creates professional systematic business project and forges project general contracting and management model under interactive industrial chains creative development. Blueprints were made in the heart and missions were accomplished then by the hands. It provides a whole package of services covering consulting, planning, designing, proxy bidding, surveying, construction, purchasing, supervision, and proxy construction and operation. Over 100 branches, institutions distributed over the nation. It possesses over 30 certificates issued by the Ministry of Housing and Urban-Rural Development. It received over 100 important national and provincial awards. Some well-known projects are the Office Building of the National People's Congress and the Organization Department of the Central Committee of the CPC. The Bank of China Tower of Terminal 3B of Beijing Capital International Airport, China Pavilion for Shanghai World Expo 2010, the Olympic Tennis Center, Shenzhen National Quality Inspection Building, Wuhan Pandonghu Lake Ecological Water Network, and Guangzhou Global Commercial Trade Center. Overseas Development Division. The division actively pursued the nation's One Belt, One Road, the Silk Road Economic Belt, and 21st century maritime Silk Road development strategy, and has created sustainable strategic development model for the developing countries. It integrates Pan-China's two service provider strategies to provide city project turnkey and project EPC turnkey services. By exporting national consulting, the model has been promoted and practiced in Angola, Tanzania, South Sudan, Namibia, along with other developing nations. Pan-China has been listed on ENR, Engineering News Record US, as top 225 international contractors for 3 consecutive years. It becomes the creative practitioner of China's Go Global strategies. Pan-China Group has excellent enterprise reputation. It is a long-term business partner with the National Development Bank and was recognized as an enterprise of integrity in the construction industry. Pan-China Group has a state-of-the-art postdoctoral workstation, a provincial research and innovation center, and a production center based on research and development. It carries out national training and consulting services, promotes advanced experiences in Chinese urbanization development, plans the Go Global strategies for enterprises and the continuous innovation of global urban values. Pan-China Group responds to the nation's cultural superpower strategy and carries forward the tradition of Chinese culture. It explores and promotes innovation on cultural industries' business model and revitalizes the development of Chinese culture expos industrialization. Pan-China shoulders the great historical mission in boosting the development of China's new urbanization. It will jointly establish China's leading global value chain, bring out an industrial chain integrated city solution plan at national strategic level. Pan-China takes China as its core and disseminates Chinese concept. Create value for our cities. Bring success to us. Dream is a wait for chase, and we are underway. Pan-China, from China for the world.